Okay, today is October 16, 2011, and to all our mission partners, I am purposely doing this video documentation to seek and appeal for assistance and help to a friend, someone who needs an immediate heart operation or heart surgery. She is suffering from a congenital heart disease, so we'll try to get more details from her. Can you please state your name, full name?
I'm Hannah Pearl. My Bagdok, 18 years.
Hannah Pearl
My
Bagdok. Okay, and you are residing in Barangay Kalumpang, Naval, Biliran. I understand you have this congenital heart disease, and according to the latest medical advice from Tacloban, you need to be checked and operated as soon as possible. And I understand your parents told me that pupunta kayong Manila. That is tomorrow, ma'am? Okay, tomorrow. So they're going to the Philippine Heart Center so that she can be checked by the specialist, heart specialist, and eventually to determine what kind of heart operation that she needs. So the family is seeking for any kind or any form of assistance so that we can revitalize, we can save the life of Hannah Pearl. Okay? So let's hope and pray that if we have good-hearted people, mission partners who can help Hannah, they can just directly contact to the parents. The name of the parents, the father is Vicente Bagdok and the mother is Charita Bagdok, and they can be contacted with the cell phone number 0909-456-0588. So to those mission partners who are willing to help Hannah Pearl, they can immediately directly contact the family, the parents, by texting or calling 0909-456-0588, or you can contact through the mission. So Pearl, let's hope and pray, never be hopeless, Pray to God. Believe that there will be good people that God will be using to become instruments so that you can be healthy again and you can achieve whatever dreams in life that you have. Ano bang pangarap mo? What is your dream?
Tapos ng pag-aaral.
What? Like you are first year?
Second year.
Second year college at NSU, Naval State University. What are you taking? BSIT. Okay. What's that? A Bachelor of Science in? Industrial Technology. Okay. So you need to be healthy for you to go back to school. Okay? So let's hope and pray that again, there will be good-hearted people, mission partners all over the world from the JDR mission partners who can help her and her family regarding her medical condition. So with that, thank you so much and God bless.